Have you ever felt like life is moving forward for everyone else, but somehow your own journey feels delayed? You see others achieving their goals, starting new chapters, reaching milestones, and quickly a thought appears in your mind. Why is my life taking so long? Waiting can feel uncomfortable, especially when we don't understand why things are not happening yet. We work hard, we pray, we prepare. But the opportunity still hasn't come. The door hasn't opened. And we begin to wonder, is something wrong with me? But what if delay is not rejection? What if delay is preparation? Think about a seed planted in the soil. For a long time, nothing appears above the ground, but underground, something important is happening. Roots are forming, strength is developing, the foundation is being built. Without those roots, the plant would never survive. Once it begins to grow, sometimes life prepares us the same way. During seasons of waiting, we are learning patience, wisdom, humility, strength. Lessons we might never learn if everything happened quickly. So, if you're in a season of waiting, maybe life is not delaying you. Maybe it is preparing you for something your present self is not yet ready to carry. And when the time is right, the door will open.